What's up everyone, Takedown here, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out some vehicle DIY and hacks. Hopefully some of these are okay, but I'm honestly not expecting much. Let's get right into this. Okay, so the first one here is the coin trick to check out the tread of your tires. This isn't something that I use because I do have my own gauge, but I get if you're in a pickle and you want to check the tread life of your tires, it will work. What's this? Mounting a DIY mount for your phone in the vents with an elastic band, and you're not tying it, you're just leaving it there. That's not going to last. One bump, your phone is flying. Who eats a granola bar in their car and doesn't finish the whole thing and just tosses it in their cup holder to begin with? I mean, nobody's going to really use that. Dusting out your vents, I mean, that will work to get most of it, but I get this will get even more. I guess your trunk is a little cluttered, and that's not really a hack or a DIY. They have products just for that, to organize your trunk, so not really the best. This one here I never tried. It might work, but I would just put my defrost on for my windshield. This is one that I guarantee will work. My dad used to use this all the time, and it's actually a good hack. Now this one here, I've seen these products before, and I will say they work. However, how many people have a drill in their vehicle with a charged battery? Not too many. So I mean, for most people, for emergency use, they're not just going to use that. This here, it won't work for everybody. Like my last vehicle, it had cracks in the headlights. It wasn't actually haze, so it won't work for you. This one here, to me, just buy the product, the foaming spray, and use it. Why use shaving cream on your rims? It's not meant for cleaning, so it's not going to actually do a good job. This one here, for starters, there's no ice on the windshield. It's just light snow. But this one here, I've heard that it can damage your windshield, so I wouldn't recommend it. We're going to take a toilet cleaner, a toilet brush, I guess, to dust. Again, nobody's going to have a drill in their vehicle, but I get it's not an emergency use one. But your engine cover, that's one that I would actually use. Your rims, problem solved. Okay, something at the gas pump. I love when people do this in real life. They don't realize what side. Like, to me, if you're driving your vehicle, you don't know what side it's on. I get if you're renting it or using your friends, but honestly, there is that mark on there too, but it should be common sense. Okay, so what kind of hack is this going to be? Taking a tennis ball, cutting it. I got an even better hack for you. Don't park so close, and he's pushing off onto the wall. Like, to me, that's common sense. Just don't do that. Okay, we're going to put toothpaste on a dirty license plate. Any cleaning product would work. The only thing I would recommend would be to put a cover on it so it's not going to get that dirty again. Truck doing a burnouts. Yeah, I've had this happen where like my groceries in the back of my truck just go flying around. I could see a product like this working. However, I prefer one that would lock the bags in, because one bump they could jump over that little hook, but still that is a pretty good hack. We're going to attach something to your license plate. Just what you need, a bottle opener built into your car. That's genius. This one here I've seen quite a bit, and I honestly would recommend it. You're doing a lot of overspray onto the tire though, so that kind of defeats the purpose of the cards. But the card trick for painting your rims without having to demount them and then mount the tire back up, it will honestly work, and I do recommend it. Like, that is a legit genius hack. So that is all of the DIY and the hacks that we're going to be checking out for this video. Honestly, most of these hacks I will say were trash. I don't recommend using them. Some of them, like the toilet brush on your rims, you're just going to scratch up your rims, especially if it's chrome rims like they showed in the video. That's definitely going to scratch. But some of them, like the last hack here, was just pure genius. I've seen it done before. Using the deck of cards around the rim so you don't get any paint on the tire is just genius. The tennis ball in the garage so you know how far to back in, that one is perfect as well. My dad uses that one. That one is genius. And the tire trick with the coin, it will work, but I prefer a gauge because that is perfect, and you know that it is like how far along your tires are and when to expect to change them. So I get if you're in a pickle, but most people nowadays have a gauge. They're literally $2 at a shop, so definitely recommend getting that. But a lot of these hacks are pretty cool, but a lot of them are just not necessary or involve you doing something crazy when there's an actual product that can do an even better job. I recommend just buying the product, especially the one where you have your phone attached to the vents with a clip and elastics. That's going to go flying your first bump you have. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to react to some more vehicle hacks and DIYs, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please take care. Peace.